Hi, hello everyone. I welcome back you all again to the another video. As you all know, I am Deepika, currently pursuing my BE first year in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the Department of Computer Science. Today in this video, I will be discussing about the subject called Introduction to Civil Engineering and particularly about the topic called Civil Engineering for Civilization. Today in this video, I will be discussing about the topics like civil engineering, how do they survey, and the classification of surveying, and the types of engineering in civil like transportation, water resource, environmental, geotechnical, and foundational engineering. Now let us know about the civil engineering. Civil engineering is the art of directing the great source of power in nature for the use and the convenience of man. Civil engineering is responsible for the structural design, construction, and the integrity of the buildings, bridges, and buildings for industrial facilities. It also used to design the safety disposal of waste, liquids, and gases, and preserving the quality of the water, air, and the environmental. Now let us know about the basic definition of survey. It is a technique, professional art, and the science of determining the terrestrial, two-dimensional or three-dimensional positions of the points and the distance between and the angle between them. In the civil engineering, surveys plays a very important role that involves in accessing and recording the details about area of the land. This observation can be used to help the construction project. The main purpose of surveying in civil engineering is to determine the three-dimensional relationship between the different locations. Some of the common instrument used for surveying, like theodolite, it is a common instrument and the important instrument. It is used to measure the horizontal and the vertical angle. And prism is also an important instrument. It is used to measure the change in a position of the target that is assumed to be a moving. Auto level is an optical instrument and it verify the points in the same horizontal plane, and the GPS equipment it is used to analyze the site of mapping and grading. Tripod is a three-legged stand important in providing the foundation for laser levels and other leveling instrument. And the last equipment is 3D scanner. Now let me discuss about the classification of surveying. In the classification of surveying, there are two types, plane surveying and the geodetical surveying. In the plane surveying, the effect of curvature of the surface is not taken into the account. The degree of the occurrence of the plane surface is relatively low. The surface of the area taken to be a plane surface, the extent of area up to which the assumption of the plane surface holds good is 200 square kilometer. Therefore, plane surveying is adopted for smaller areas. In the geodetical surveying, the curvature of the Earth's surface is taken into account. It is carried out for the large distance area with a high degree. A government of department undertakes the work of geodetical surveying for the larger areas. Now let me discuss about the types of engineering in civil like structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, coastal engineering, transportation and the environmental engineering. Now let me discuss about the structural engineering. Structural engineering plays a vital role in planning, designing and building the structure, and it deals with a wide variety of structural systems like building, bridges, dams, transportation system, water and the sewage system, and the power generation system. The main scope of the structural engineering is to develop the nuclear power plants and to repair and maintain for the structure. It analyze and design the steel industrial structure, design the structural enforcement for the different types of structural components. Now let me discuss about the geotechnical engineering. Geotechnical engineering is also known as a geotech. It is a branch of civil engineering. It uses the principle of soil mechanics and the rock mechanics. It solves the engineering problems. The geotechnical engineering has an applications in military engineering, mining engineering, and the petroleum engineering, and it is mainly used in the construction of the large dams and bridges. The coastal engineering is a branch of civil engineering with a specific demand posed by the construct at or near the coast as well as the development of the coast itself. It helps us to control the erosion and it develops and maintain the ports and related navigation facilities. Now let me discuss about the transportation engineering. This subject deals with the transport of material through the different communication such as like land, water and the air. The transportation of the goods for the short distance can be easily done by the road system, and whereas the railway transport is considered as a safe and the convenient for the long distance. The transportation by air routes is also increasing day by day. This plays a very important role in a transportation engineering. The main scope for the transportation engineering is it involves in a planning, design, construction, operation and the maintenance of the transportation facilities. It helps us to design the traffic signal for the control of traffic. It contributes the economic, industry, social and the cultural development of any countries. Coming to the last part, environmental engineering is an important branch in an civil which covers the both water supply and the sanitary engineering. The importance of the clean environment was felt with the rapid growth in a population and the growth in urbanization and industrialization. Environment is polluted through the medium of air and the water. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.